Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In the last two lessons, we learned the first and the second steps in recording the business transactions, the journal and the ledger. Today, we will learn the third step in the recording process, which is the trial balance. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Well, what is the trial balance? The trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet that lists the balances of all general ledger accounts at a certain point in time. The trial balance is prepared at the end of the accounting period, after the transactions are first recorded in the general journal and then posted in the general ledger. The accounts in the trial balance are listed in order as they appear in the ledger. Debit balances appear in the left column and credit balances appear in the right column. Why is the trial balance important? First, it ensures that the recorded transactions have identical debit and credit amounts. Second, it uncovers errors in journalizing and posting. Finally, it makes the preparation and analysis of financial statements easier. Now, let's prepare the trial balance using the general ledger that we prepared in our previous lesson. If you want to know how we prepared the general ledger, please go and watch lesson number 6 on how to prepare the ledger. Okay, here is the general ledger that we prepared in our previous lesson. We have a cash account of $18,500 debit balance. Equipment of $10,000 debit balance. Account payable of $10,000 credit balance. Owner's capital of $20,000 credit balance. Also, we have owner's drawing of $1,000 debit balance. Unearned service revenue of $1,000 credit balance. Service revenue of $4,000 credit balance. Rent expenses of $500 debit balance. And finally, salaries and wages expenses of $5,000 debit balance. Now, what are the steps for preparing a trial balance? First, we list the account titles. Then we record the account balances in the appropriate debit or credit column. Then we calculate the totals of the debit and credit columns. Finally, we check if the debit side is equal to the credit side. Here is the trial balance after we followed the steps of preparing it. Here we have all the account titles. Here we have the account balances on the debit side and the total amount. Here we have the account balances on the credit side and the total amount. As we said before, the total amount of the debit and the credit must be equal. On the trial balance, the accounts should appear in the following orders: assets, liabilities, owner's equity, revenues, and expenses. You can see here that we begin with the assets account, the cash and equipment. Then we recorded the liabilities accounts, the account payable. Then we recorded the owner's equity accounts, the owner's capital and owner's drawings. Then we recorded the revenue accounts, the unearned service revenue and service revenue. And finally, we recorded the expenses accounts, the rent and salaries and wages expenses. Because the trial balance only shows closing balances of accounts for a particular date, it has some limitation. The main limitation is that the trial balance may balance even when a transaction not journalized, a correct journal entry not posted in the ledger, a journal entry is posted twice, incorrect accounts are used in journalizing or posting. Also, from the limitation of the trial balance is that it does not prove that all transactions have been recorded. It does not prove that the ledger is correct. Now please take a short break and come back to solve this example. You need to prepare a trial balance using this information. You can write your answers in the comments of this video. Feel free to ask me any question in the comments, and I will reply as soon as possible. Good luck! That's all for today. Congratulations on finishing this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye bye.